everyone, welcome back to my channel, The 4 R's. Today is a great day to be alive in the land of the living. Yes, it is a great day to be alive in the land of the living. And today I'm just going to show you how I spruce up my fireplace mantle for the holidays. For Christmas, I have it all decorated, and I'm just going to turn the camera around and show you what I have done, okay? So this is what on top the mantle looks like. Okay. And right here is my nutcracker. Isn't he gorgeous? And right here I got my clock. And over here I have my little decorative stand right here, and then I had these garden balls, and then I just added some bling bling around it, and then I have this right here. I think she is so beautiful. What do you think? Okay, very simple, nothing too much, but at the same time it is beautiful. And then coming down over here I have my little reindeer. At least I can put candles, potpourri, or anything like that. My trees, my golden pearl right there, my other nutcracker over there, and you see right over here I have my silver reindeer. Yeah, so this is it. And then at the bottom here I added my garland. Then you just step back a little bit more. Oops, I think I need to light my garland. What do you think? Yes, let's just go ahead and light up the garland. So here it is, all lit up. I'm going to show you the whole space. I think it is on the 10th of December. We're going to have a home tour hosted by an Antoinette's Vineyard. So you'll get to see the whole space in one. So this is all that I have for you right now. So if you do like this video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and leave me a comment in the box below. And I will see you in my next video, or I am at yours. Be blessed.